In the last video of Python for Data Science series, we have seen how to create a line plot using the plt.plot method. At the end of last video, I have said that we can use styles for our plot to change how it looks. And when I say styles, it means marker, line style, and color of the plot. So guys, let's look at them one by one. So we will start by looking at the different types of marker style available for us. Here, markers refer to how points are represented in our plot. And if we check the documentation, yes, these are the different types of markers available inside the plt.plot function. We use this particular character to make use of point marker in our plot. And this is the character for pixel marker. And we can make use of this character for circle, style marker, and so on. To illustrate how this is used, what I'll do is, I'll just create a new plot with marker format as circle. So I'll write as import matplotlib.pyplot as plt and then import numpy as np. And here x is equal to np.linspace 0, 10, 50. Then y is equal to np.sin of x and then plt.plot of x, y, marker is equal to o. After that, plt.title of marker shape is circle and then plt.show. Yes, as we can see in the plot, we now have the marker style as circle. And to do that, what I have done is I have just specified the marker style character using the parameter marker. Now this time I'll create one more plot with the marker style as triangle down marker, that is with the using of character v. So I'll write like this, that is plt.plot of x, y, marker is equal to v, then plt.show. So we now have the marker shape as triangle down in our plot. And guys, you can play around with different marker styles to get hold of how each marker style look like. Now let's look at how we can control the line style. And if we check the documentation, yes, these are the different line styles available for us. So we use this dash symbol to change the line style of our plot to dashed line style. And to illustrate as how to specify the line style, I'll write as plt.plot of x, y, line style is equal to dash, then plt.show. Okay, as we can see in our plot, the line style is dashed. Now let's try another type of line style. This time I'll make use of dash dot line style. So I'll write as plt.plot of x, y, line style is equal to dash dot. And then as usual, it is plt.show. So we now have the plot with the line style as dash dot. And not just this, we can also combine the multiple types of styles in a single plot. And to illustrate this, I'll write as plt.plot of x, y, marker is equal to v and then line style is equal to colon. So what happens is this will create the plot with the dotted line style and triangle down marker. Okay, so finally we'll write as plt.show. Great. We now have the plot with the dotted line style and triangle down marker. And now moving on, the other type of styling we can create for our plot is defining the color of the line. And to do that, we have got many options available in Matplotlib library. We can specify the color with full names and we can specify the character of the colors, or we can also specify its hex code. And to illustrate this, I'll create the plot with the line color of red. So I'll write as plt.plot of x, y, color is equal to red and then plt.show. Yes, as you can observe here, we now have the plot created in red color and I have specified the color name in full. Now, this time I'll specify the color using its character code. And for the illustration purpose, I'll plot the line in black color using the character code as K. So I'll write as plt.plot of x comma y comma color is equal to k, and then plt.show. So we now have the plot in black color. And like I said already, we can combine more than one formatting in our plot. So guys, I'll write as plt.plot of x comma y comma marker is equal to v, then line style is equal to colon, comma color is equal to k. So what will happen is, this will create the plot with the marker as triangle down marker with the dotted line style and color as black. And finally, we all know what we have to do, that is plt.show. So guys, we have now successfully created the plot by making use of all the three important styles. And now there is one final trick I want to show in Matplotlib. So if you observe in our code, I have specified all the three different parameters separately. We can actually specify everything as a single parameter inside the quotations by specifying in order of marker, line style and color. So I'll write as plt.plot of x comma y comma v colon k, then plt.show. Yes, as we can see in our plot, we have the same output as before. And inside the quotation, I have specified the three parameters of our plot in order of marker, line style and color. So guys, I hope you now know as how to create the plots with required formatting. So in the next video, we are going to understand how to create scatter plots using Matplotlib library. And you can also refer the official documentation for more information, and do check the link in description for the source codes. And guys, I look forward to see you in the next video.